Y'all, I literally cannot stop eating. What is up, you guys? Happy Sunday. It is Sunday, April 5th, and I am freezing. It is so cold in this house. How's quarantine life going for you guys? I've literally done not one thing for just about 3 full weeks now. It's been rough, but I mean, how rough really is it to sit around and do nothing? It's more like a mental thing for me. Like, the mental health has not been the strongest, but I feel like a lot of people are going through that right now. So I haven't really done much of anything. However, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know this. On the 28th of March, guess what happened? Just look at it. I don't even know if it's gonna focus. But your girl got engaged. It is so beautiful. I am engaged. Like, I can't even, it's like, it hasn't sunk in yet. Like, it doesn't feel real, but it happened, and I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. So I'll give you a quick little story of how it all happened, because nobody really knows except for like my close family and friends. So we were technically that weekend supposed to be in San Diego for 2 reasons: to visit La Jolla, because there's these cliffs that I love that overlook the ocean. They're just beautiful, and the cliffs mean a lot to me. Like, it goes way back when I was like 15. It means so much to me, which is a whole nother story in and of itself. But every time we go to San Diego, I make sure we go to those cliffs just to pay it a little visit. So we're going to the cliffs, of course, but the real reason we were going to San Diego is because Saturday night, he had gotten me concert tickets to see Snow Allegra, which I'm obsessed with her, and he got me these concert tickets in December. So it was for Christmas. Yeah, it was for Christmas. So we had that planned, and apparently he had planned that morning, that Saturday morning when we flew in, we were gonna go straight to La Jolla. He was going to propose, and then later that night we would be at the concert. So of course, with everything going on, we're not really allowed to go anywhere. There's a whole shelter in place order for California, so we couldn't go, but he didn't want to wait any longer, so he proposed anyway, just here at home. But he made it so special. Like, it was unreal. My sister had asked me around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock on Saturday, that same day that he was going to propose in San Diego, if I wanted to just come over to my mom's house so she could do my hair, because my hair was a hot mess. She's like, I'm so bored, like, my mental health is not good. I was like, girl, same. She was like, well, I brought my stuff home from the salon, like, do you want me to just touch up your roots? And I was like, sure, let's do it. So I went over there, and that's a whole like 4 or 5 hour process anyway. Well, in the meantime, Carlos is over here. He decorated the entire back living room with string lights, because I have open beams on my ceiling in the back living room. He put string lights on all of them, had gold balloons on the ceiling with the string like curling down. He had his record player, and he bought a Snow Allegra record and had that playing to kind of like reenact like what it would be like at the concert. He had a full-on freaking shrimp and steak dinner that he cooked waiting there. He had bought like champagne glasses that said Miss, Mrs. and Mr. engraved on them, and then we had champagne, or it was wine. I don't know if it was rosé. I don't even remember what it was, honestly. And rose petals and roses freaking everywhere. Like, it was just so special and so nice. He put so much work and effort into this. Like, I can't even, it's just like a dream, really. So then obviously he proposed there. He was nice enough, because he knows me, to have 3 different cameras going with 3 different angles. And what's really funny / embarrassing is that I was literally wearing yoga pants, just a plain like black top like this one, and flipping platform Crocs. That's how I was proposed to, wearing that. He's like, oh, I tried to secretly warn you, like, maybe wear something nice. And I was like, how was I supposed to know? Like, we're in freaking quarantine. Like, where are we going? Who are we seeing? Literally nobody. So I was looking a hot mess, but it was still like such a wonderful night. So we listened to music, we danced a little bit, we had dinner, and then we took some celebratory tequila shots. And let's just say the rest of the night isn't too clear to me, but I just know it was so beautiful. Like, I'm so obsessed, and he did so good. I feel like any couple kind of talks about like a dream ring, and I've always told him that I want a circle diamond. I don't know the technical terms, I'm a woman, I should know this, but I just said I wanted a circle diamond with a very thin gold band and 6 prongs. And I told him I really liked the claw prongs, which is exactly what he got, which is so freaking perfect. I just have always wanted a gold wedding ring, but I still wanted it to be like, you know, like my mom's wedding ring is gold from when she got married to my dad. It is not good. It is just, oof. And I feel like this is just like timeless. Like, you can't go wrong with it. It's just simple, but like perfect. So anyway, that's how that all went. I'm just so happy. I just feel like this can't be real, you know? Like, does he really want to put up with me for the rest of our lives? Like, what? We've kind of started thinking about, like, what do we want as far as a wedding, like budget, where do we want like the venue to be? I know it's only been a week since we've been engaged, but I figure you can never start planning too early and then having like backup plans for things that don't work out. So I want to know from you guys, those of you who are engaged or who have recently gotten married, or it doesn't have to be recent, just those of you who like know anything about this subject, help, please help. I feel like I don't even know where to start. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I've seen like some printables on Etsy that you can print and like put in a binder to like start wedding planning, and it all starts with like picking, you know, a budget and doing your guest list, because let's say you pick the perfect venue but you have 200 guests, well, the venue might only hold 50. So you kind of have to like, it's like a whole thing, and like it's stressing me out just thinking about it, and it's only been a week since we've been engaged, like I said. So I need your guys' help so bad. I live in Northern California, so we kind of want to keep it in Northern California. The ones that I've seen that I'm obsessed with are more like gardeny. Like, I want there to be a lot of greenery, and I want there to be string lights, and I would appreciate some sort of brick. So I've found 3 of them that I'll mention to you now, and I'll just post some pictures that I've found online of them, so you kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. The first one is the firehouse in Sacramento, and I will be posting pictures, like I said. I love the brick background of that one. I love that there's just greenery and trees everywhere. It's just like you're in this like secret little garden. I absolutely love it. It's not too big. They do have a bar. Like, it's just, I love it. Love the look. The second one I found that I really like is the Heirloom Inn, and that one is in Ione, California. Same kind of vibe. It's this 2-story brick. I think it's well, it's an inn, but it looks like just like a giant house. And there's string lights and greenery and flowers everywhere. Absolutely love it. And then the third one that we were kind of looking at is called, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think Pageo Lavender Farms, P-A-G-E-O. And that one is flippin' beautiful. That one's more on the rustic side, less gardeny, but I liked how there was like a lawn area where they put out like lawn games. I saw like a giant Jenga, and then they have like cornhole and stuff. They have a bar. There's an indoor space and outdoor space. So it's just like kind of the best of both worlds. I definitely want more of an outdoor ceremony. I don't want anything even resembling a hall or like gymnasium or like anything like that. Like, that's just not my style at all. So I like that, let's say we picked a date where it might possibly rain, we have the option of going indoors. I like that for that one. But I don't know, I've only been looking for the last couple of days, and I've ruled out so many, whether it be because it was too expensive or it just wasn't the look I was going for. So those are the 3 that I've kind of been obsessed with. But yeah, I still have a lot of looking to do, and I could very well not pick any of those. I don't know yet. This is just me kind of brainstorming. But yeah, I'm super excited to like get this whole planning thing started, get some things nailed down. Now there's like a fire that's lit under my ass to start really like saving every penny I make, because I know this is gonna be expensive. I do plan on doing a lot of like wedding videos. I'm hoping you guys are interested in that, because they're going up anyway. I'm just kidding, but they really are. So I'm definitely gonna be doing some wedding videos, maybe some plan with me, some DIY, like I wanna do some table decor, so the signs as you first walk into the wedding, like where people are sitting at what table. Those are super easy and it's like a creative outlet for me. I love doing stuff like that and I feel like I could make it my own and not spend $1 million, so I'll probably be DIYing some stuff. I just have so many ideas for like a wedding series on this channel. I'm just so excited. I never thought I would be saying that. Is that weird or what? This has literally been my quarantine outfit. Honestly, I've looked actually way worse this entire quarantine. We actually kind of went for a drive today, so I tried to get ready a little bit, but literally just yoga pants, socks, and a comfy like sweatshirt or something. This has been it. So all of this wedding talk really brings me to the next topic, and that is the fact that I can't stop eating. I literally could not. Like, and this quarantine has made it 10 times freaking worse. Like, I eat even when I'm not hungry. It's like, Nicole, what are you doing, sweetie? You hungry or you bored? And the answer is always that I'm bored. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've always said I'm one of those people, like, I need to go to like a CrossFit type of gym where people are going to be pushing you. I'm not motivated enough to like do things myself, but that's honestly the only option. So I need to snap the F out of it and get with it, because I want to be and feel so comfortable in my own skin on wedding day. And we haven't picked a date or anything, but we're thinking fall of next year, so like a year and a half away. So I need to get it right and get it tight, because I refuse, like I said, to feel like shit on my wedding day. I want to feel confident as can be, and that's just not where I'm at right now. I am getting it under control, like seriously. I'm starting tomorrow. I'm gonna do some what I eat in a days tomorrow, just so I can prove to you and myself. I don't need to prove it to anybody but myself. I'm gonna prove to myself that I can do it, and I'm gonna get into this quarantine routine. Did that rhyme? And I'm gonna get it right, get it tight. I'm gonna start eating healthy. I'm gonna do any kind of workout, even if it's going for a walk. Like, anything is better than nothing, which is what I've been doing. I just feel so terrible about myself. I feel so uncomfortable. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that quick little update. I think I'm gonna pick up this film room just a little bit. I actually had somebody, I think it was either Friday night or Saturday morning, place a Poshmark order of like a Faith Hill band tee that I had up on my site. So I think I will package it up with you guys. So usually when I get an order, I just come over here to my little rack and I find what they bought, which in this lady's case, she bought the Faith Hill band tee. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off of the hanger. Actually, I'll just take the whole hanger off. And I bring it to my desk. I then figure out what size like box or bag I'm going to put it in. In this case, I'm gonna use one of these like bag mailers. I always use some tissue paper. I have my thank you stickers right here. And then I always write everybody a handwritten card. So I will come in here and get a card and an envelope and a pen. And then I get on my phone and I print. I have like my phone set up to the Bluetooth printer. So I will go ahead and, where did my phone go? Get that printed right now. That way I can ship this first thing tomorrow morning. Okay, so my SD card totally filled up and didn't even like warn me or anything, so I have no idea where we left off. But I was saying that I'm packaging up this Poshmark order. If you are the one and you are watching this who ordered the Faith Hill band tee, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're the real MVP girl. I'm trying so hard to get rid of all my Poshmark listings because I'm sick of them being in my room. I do have a sale going on right now where if you bundle 3 or more items, you get 15% off. However, what you guys don't know is that you can still bundle, get your 15% off, and then still offer me a lower price. That's fine. I will take it into consideration for sure. I pretty much accept all reasonable offers, like unless your total is like $100 and you're offering me like 40, like come on, like that's not really that reasonable. But like within reason, or I will lower your shipping costs for you. Sometimes I take the shipping cost totally away. You guys do have to keep in mind that because you're spending, let's say $100, I'm not getting really anywhere near that because you're paying the extra $7 for shipping. Keep that in mind. Plus Poshmark takes 20%. So I'm not getting the full money you're paying. So I don't want you to think that I'm making like crazy amounts of money. I'm not. I'm just trying to sell some of my old stuff, make a little extra money, make you guys happy, and kind of clean up my closet a little bit. So I always put the order inside of the packaging along with a little something else. I have just some little sample cards here, like the Laura Mercier translucent powder little sample, so I'll throw that in. And then I always write a handwritten card, so I'm going to do that right now. And one thing I will note, super random, but I don't lick the cards. Okay, so that goes in there as well. And then I seal her up. Perfect. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna go get the label and I'll put it right here on the back and it'll be good to go. I will get that shipped out tomorrow morning. One thing I wanted to add, one thing I did want to add, if you guys are coming from my YouTube channel and you go buy something on my Poshmark, leave me a comment after you buy the item on Poshmark, just saying like, hey, I just bought your, whatever it is, your band tee. I came from your YouTube channel. And I'm gonna throw in a little something extra. It's most likely going to be like a makeup item or beauty item. I just have some drawers of brand new makeup and I just will throw in a little something extra for you guys. So yeah, if you're coming from YouTube and you buy something on Poshmark, I will be throwing in some extra stuff, probably 1 or 2 things. So definitely let me know. Good morning, you guys. It is the 7th, it's a Tuesday. And I'm just doing laundry. I have so many clothes to fold. I'm literally not wearing pants. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but this is kind of blocking it, so that's good. I'm gonna just lay my laundry out flat, and then I'm gonna take the dog for a little walk. I just want to like get out. It's a beautiful day. Nobody's really out, so I'm not gonna be coming in contact with anybody, which is great, and it'll give me a little bit of exercise. Yesterday was the first day that I ate perfectly. I stuck within my 1700 calories. I think I actually ate probably 1650 and I did so good and I'm so proud of myself. I know it's only been 1 day, but I'm like so freaking excited. So I'm excited for day 2. What I think I'm gonna do, honestly, is end this vlog here and then start up a new vlog for the rest of the day. So the rest of today you'll see on a different vlog. I know it's a little bit weird, but I actually wanted to finish out the vlog last night and I forgot to. I fell asleep. So with that being said, I am going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please leave me recommendations down in the comment section. I need all kinds of like pre-planning recommendations, like if you guys have planned a wedding before, like where did you start, what did you do? I'm just so overwhelmed. So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next one.